Just like to ask a question about speed score on Shopify. So it says 48 here is compared to other Shopify stores, but how important is this number? And if it's, because at the moment, if it's out of 100, I think it's poor. And how can you improve on it?
So how you can improve on it is you go on Fiverr.com, you search up Shopify speed increase, and there'll be these developers or these people that specialize on increasing Shopify speed score. And you can literally pay them as low as like $5, $10, $20, $25, and you give them access to your Shopify store. You can add in a user, give them developer access only, have them do their thing. I don't know what they do. Maybe they like change the code. Maybe they just compress all your images. And then that's one way. Second way, go to the Shopify App Store and search speed website speed up. Shopify has a bunch of different apps in the app stores that sort of optimize your photos and increase the speed of your website. So those are two methods of how you can increase your speed score. Now, your initial question of if it's important, yes, it is important. But if your store, like it's 48, it's pretty average. So if you're average, you're going to do pretty well. It's going to affect things by maybe 2, 3, 4, 5%.
Yeah.
If you don't even have a winning product, you won't even notice that amount until you're doing, $100,000 a month.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.